Good morning students and welcome to the class of computer science. Children, in previous class I told you about the rows, columns, all right, and the cell, okay, and a cell pointer. So you can see here this dark box here is cell pointer. These are columns and these are rows. All right, here you can find the formula bar. This is menu bar, like file, edit, view menus are there, okay, and this is standard toolbar, okay, and here you can find different standard toolbar. Then formatting toolbar is also there, so where you can find various options. Now here I will tell you children how to save the file. So children, you can see here file menu is there. You will go to file menu, all right. As you can see here, you will go to file menu. Shortcut command is Ctrl+S, or if you want to give, or if you want to save the same file with different names, so you can do it with the help of save as button also. That is Ctrl+Shift+S. So you will do this, save and save as, all right. Then this dialog box will open if you will do save as, all right. Then here you have to specify where you want to save the file, in desktop, in documents, okay. Here it is, the selected path is my documents, all right. So you can save file anywhere. So from here you will go to directory, or any directory, and then you can select anything. Suppose if you want to save the file in desktop, so you will select from here desktop. Then this is option is the file name. You will write the file name here, okay. And the default format or extension of this calc file is ODF, so it is already given there. And then if you will press here save, so the file will get saved. Now next thing is, suppose if you want to open the workbook, so opening workbook is also easy, all right. You will go to file menu. If you want to open a new file, so you will click new file, and if you want to open an already made file, so you will click this open button. Now children, suppose to use this open, you should know the complete file name, and suppose if you don't know the file name, then this recent document option is there. So if you click this recent document, so again a dialog box will open and it will show the previous files made of Excel or Calc, okay, 1 week back, 10 days back. So recent documents will be available here. So if you don't know the file name, then you can select recent documents and get all the files, and therefrom you can select the files. So like this children, you can open a new file. Now if you want to quit the file, then there you can see, all right. If you want to quit, again you will go to file, and at the bottom you will find this exit button, all right. So with the help of this exit button, you can close the file. And see that Excel file has this button also, okay. So with pressing this also, the file will get closed. How we can enter data in a Excel file, all right. So three types of data are there: numbers, text, and formulas. So you can see here numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus, minus, and children, this thing is known as parenthesis. We also say it brackets or parenthesis. So please don't confuse. We say it brackets or parenthesis also. Then comma, then slash, then dollar, percentage, and exponent. What is this exponent? Exponent, E is exponent. It is known as, suppose you have to write like this, x to the power 2. So it is exponent. So now text means there are text entries. They are neither formula nor numbers, and these entries are not used in calculations. See here, 10AA109 127AXY 12-976. These are text entries, they are not numbers. And list the one like 2084675. This is also a text entry. Now you'll ask, sir, why it is text entry? This one, because all numbers are there. But children, if you can find here a small space is there after 8 and before 4. So this space will be counted as a text. Now you can see formulas. Now what is B9 minus A9? Suppose in the cell B9 the value is 4 and in the cell A9 the value is 2. So what is the B9 minus A9? 4 minus 2. So answer will be 2. And please remember the Excel formula always start with equal to sign. If this equal to sign is not there, then what the Excel will do? It will write whatever the way here written. Suppose you can see here, if this 12 plus 75 is this. Okay, if you write 12 plus 75, okay, without equal to, so what answer you will get? Same. Okay. Now if you want to get the answer as 87, so you will have to press equal to. Okay. If you want to get the answer 87, you have to put equal to. Then only the answer 87 will get. Because 12 plus 75 without equal to will be taken as a text entry. So you can edit the data. You can see this FX button is there. Alright, this FX button, it is a function button. So you can get from here sum function, then subtract function. Okay, so this FX function gives all the functions. Now suppose if this is sigma sign or summation sign, it is for addition. Alright, let me tell you how to use this addition. Suppose this column is there, 2, 3, 2, 1, and suppose you select this all and your cursor is here, and after that you press this E sign. So what will happen? You will get the answer as 8. Alright, because it will add all these numbers. So this is the use of summation sign. Children, you can edit the entries in a cell, okay, by doing the cut, copy and paste. So for that, where you will have to go? You will have to go to the edit menu. Same cut, copy and paste as I told you in the word processor, it is like that only. If you want, suppose here is the data 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and suppose if you press Control A, then Control C, and here is the cursor, and then you press Control V, so 1, 2, 4 will come again. Okay, instead of it, suppose you will press Control X, what will happen? This previous original data will get deleted. So Control X means cut, Control C means copy, and Control V means paste. So these functions are near about similar. Okay, so that you can use here. See this data, name, marks, grade. So here Control X has not been used, because if Control X would have been used, this old data would have got deleted. So here they have used Control C, any copy and paste. So copy and paste will do, it will, the data in the original place will also remain there. So cut, copy, paste I have told you clearly. Now font and styles. So children, you can see here the formatting toolbar. Okay, as in the word processor, you can find the font like Arial, font size 11, bold, italic, underline, then alignments left, center, right, justified, then currency, percentage, decrease indent, increase indent, background color, font color. So these all you can find in the formatting toolbar. So they can use these buttons from here. And this is the description of all the buttons. See, font size, bold, italic, underline, different color. Alright. So children, that's all in the introduction of MS Excel, or you can say Calc or Spreadsheet. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you and goodbye.